How you doing? Mike Aceti, the Pavement Group, here at another parking lot project that we're doing this week. Another one of our one team members that did the job for us. This is a seal coat and stripe project. We got half of it done so far. In the background you can see they just finished up their second coat of sealer. They were out here first thing this morning. I think they probably got here about 7:30 to capture the area, get the first coat down, and then the second coat got put down just after lunchtime here today. Tomorrow we're going to flip-flop it. Tonight we're going to have this area striped. So first thing tomorrow they'll get here, they'll capture this side, clean it off. The most important part of the sealer, got to make sure the surface is clean. If the surface isn't clean, that sealer that you put down will start coming up, so you got to make sure the surface is clean before you start putting your sealer down. But hoping to have this one completed by end of day tomorrow. Like I said, they'll stripe this area tonight. Tomorrow we'll capture the second half of it, the other side, seal coat it, 2 coats, stripe it at night, and hopefully they're back in business come Saturday morning. Another tough one with the gas stations, you got to make sure the pumps stay open. You know, right now we got half the pumps shut down, the other halves are open, so the customers are coming in and out. Got the entranceway all caution taped off so nobody's walking in the sealer, and another success here.